don't think that these three cruisers had any faith that I would go and push and support them. Most people don't. Look at these battleships. In the middle of the map. I don't really know what they're doing or what their plan is. I see everything down south, everything got highlighted, and they're just... I guess they already committed that way.
Enemy battleship detected.
I guess they squeezed out that Musashi pretty well. I didn't really do much to him. This was kind of a bad shot too.
Enemy battleship detected. Enemy cruiser sighted.
This is my favorite part of the battle up here though. Laid some waste to the cruisers. I don't know if they expected me to come out or why they even did what they did. They got excited, maybe trying to kill this. Was it Schroeder? I can't see it. Schroeder? Poor Buffalo. This guy in the Minnesota gets desperate. About 30-40 seconds, my players decide to try to ram. I don't know if he undercommitted and then tried to commit at the last second, and he totally missed me. I just held fire. I really wanted to smoke this cruiser here. That felt really cool. This damn Minnesota is very capable of smashing the shit out of things. You just gotta get in there and fight dirty with it. People say it's a shitty ship. You just gotta get in there. It just takes so much abuse. Here's the Dark Wolf. A day late and a dollar short. He starts turning into me hard. I start turning into him hard. He misses. Really thankful that this Schroeder, I don't know if he has torpedoes or if he forgot he had them, I don't know. I thought I was dead right here though. I treat every cruiser as if I'm gonna get torpedoed.
Our team has taken the lead. Problem solved, sir.
I just like how I was able to go in there and take so much fire.
The ship is on fire.
Did lose 2 cruisers, so I guess it could have been better. Here I thought about ramming them like a turd, but I didn't. Well, it got him. I didn't realize it got him. This Torps really helped me out here. It's a bad habit of mine, zooming in when I'm right there. That's unnecessary.